Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that semantic layer token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, semantic layer is an infrastructure protocol that introduces application controlled execution for decentralized applications, DApps. It allows DApps to internalize minor extraceable value MEV, scale their throughput independently of those scale their throughput independently of the base chain and implement custom execution logic while retaining access to on-chain liquidity and composability. Semantic layer token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 148.6 million. Semantic layer token will list on Binance Alpha Exchange after 13 hours. Semantic if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.